We have an update on a story that we have been following for more than a week. Holiday Twin Rinks in Cheektowaga is back open tonight after getting the green light to welcome back visitors. Last week, you may remember the rink had to shut down when more than 100 kids and adults became sick after suffering from carbon monoxide exposure. Investigators initially thought it was a gas leak and discovered an improperly working furnace caused a gas to build up over several days. The building had multiple CO detectors at the time, but a detector failed to work at the front of the building. So senior reporter Eileen Buckley was at the rink as it reopened for business and hockey teams hit the ice.
Hockey starts in 5 minutes. I gotta go.
These hockey players were eager to return to the ice at the Holiday Twin Rinks in Cheektowaga shortly after it reopened late Friday morning, following last week's evacuation and shutdown from a major carbon monoxide leak. More than 100 children and adults suffered from carbon monoxide poisoning during hockey tournaments, and no CO alarm sounded. The day after the leak, I met with a Hamburg mother and her 8-year-old daughter, who both suffered headaches after being at the rink.
It hurt a lot, really bad.
It's scary when they're physically exhausted as it is. I mean, we could tell the players were slow and it was not normal. The second game was not normal at all.
Fire officials confirmed extremely high levels of carbon monoxide in the building caused by a faulty furnace in the snack bar area, and the rinks were shut down. But Holiday Rinks posted this message Friday, saying it received all necessary approvals to reopen. It also stated they've worked diligently and closely with several parties to eliminate all issues. An inspection was held Friday morning by Cheektowaga building and fire inspectors. The heating unit in the lobby was replaced, along with 4 rooftop exhaust fans. And most importantly, new CO detectors were installed throughout the building.
They gave everyone the approval, and the town apparently approved everything, so no concerns.
And these hockey players just glad to be back on the ice here inside Holiday Twin Rinks. They say they're confident that things have been cleared and they will be safe. Are you concerned at all?
No, they cleaned everything up and everything's been all checked out.
Obviously, it's carbon monoxide, but no, we're not worried.
Holiday Twin Rinks also noted in its message that it was the rink's first incident in the last 5 decades, but stated, quote, "This single incident is still one too many. I did reach out to the rink owner and building inspectors, but have yet to receive responses." Eileen Buckley, 7 News, Cheektowaga.
Eileen, thank you. Well, carbon monoxide poisoning is a concern that should always be taken very seriously, and to learn tips on how you can help protect your family and friends from CO exposure, visit WKBW.com.